Today we are making one of the best breakfast sandwich recipes in LA, Eggslut Fairfax. It's made with fresh brioche bun, creamy scrambled eggs, melted American cheese, some minced chives, sweet caramelized onions, and it's topped with a spicy Sriracha Mayo. And yes, it is as good as it looks. Okay, let's get started on this delicious breakfast sandwich. Don't forget, if you're liking these videos, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time we make a new video. To begin, make the Sriracha Mayo by mixing about a quarter cup of mayonnaise with 4 tablespoons of your favorite Sriracha hot sauce. Next, we're going to slice 1 whole onion. Add 3 tablespoons of oil over medium-low heat and saute the sliced onions until they are caramelized. And this takes about 30 minutes, so you want to stand by and keep stirring. In a separate cold nonstick pan, stir 3 eggs with 1 large knob of salted butter until incorporated. Now turn the flame on to medium-low and stir constantly until the eggs are soft and fluffy. Top the egg with a little salt, a couple of tablespoons of fresh chopped chives or green onion. Next, we're going to warm 1 slice of deluxe American cheese on the pan and place it on top of the eggs. Okay, now we're going to toast our brioche roll until lightly golden. It's now time to assemble the sandwich. Add the Sriracha Mayo, freshly scrambled eggs, and finally the caramelized onions. All right, guys, so I hope you like this quick tutorial on this breakfast sandwich. We'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.